Traders, I'm looking at Bitcoin 5-minute chart. In fact, we'll just go out to the daily and I want to show you something. Okay, have a look at this. On this time frame, we have bearish break of market structure. Okay, lower highs, now lower lows, and a pullback. We've had this strong rally, but I'm wondering whether that's going to hold or whether it, we see further downside. This is quite a big pullback. Anyway, it's traded into this bearish distribution level, big resistance through here, and we're starting to see it trade south. I think my way of getting involved with this would be to go down to the lower time frame, say a 15-minute chart, and consider this. Okay, we've got this trend, as you can see. Then we get the break, something like that. It starts ranging sideways. Now we get the break below. We actually had a little bit of a dip, a move above here. So we get this double high, a double top, equal highs. Bit of a stop run, so it takes out stops resting above here. Not much of a spike up. And then we see it sell off, and we've got a bit of displacement here. Okay, so definitely there's momentum and volume behind it. So what we could do is look for a short opportunity. I think I'd be looking for this range, a retest, something like that. Just be careful because there's a couple of things about this. Have a look at this red candle here. There's nothing left and right of it. So it's quite possible that this trades back up looking to rebalance before we see further downside. So just watch out for that. If anything, I'd be inclined to set up a short position right at this candle here. Stop above the high, but then, you want to watch out because they could hit these highs as well. It's not an easy gig trading Bitcoin, guys, but, if you want to have a go at it, there's a potential short, and we've got a level here. We've got a level here, okay, potential targets. You could go for something like that. There's a 3.45R, but be really careful. Don't overdo your position size. Just take it easy. Guys, I just wanted to make a quick diversion to show you how you can trade a reversal. Let's just scrunch this up. This is a 15-minute time frame. See how we've got this topping, this rounded top here, and we have a reversal going on. This was going back a little bit on this Bitcoin chart. This is Thursday, the 14th of March. But look, here's the thing. With the indicators that we have, and we have a 30-day free trial, you can check this out and trial them yourself. See how we're green here, and we shift between these bars down in here, green to red. This is when you know to get involved. All right, it starts back in here. You let that one go, but this is the signal that is really key. There's a strong momentum on the higher time frame, and I mean it's just a no-brainer at this point. This gives you the opportunity to get involved. Swing high, swing low. You want to wait for the 50% pullback. See over here? Okay, now you may let that go, given that it doesn't pull back into the 50. But the 50% on the Fibonacci kicks in around here. That would be an entry point. 50 to 618, and you want your stop above the cloud here. This is a 15-minute time frame, and just look at the outcome here. All right, so there's nearly a 2R result. Well, there you go. 2R to this point. And what you're going to be looking for is any one of these triangles signals on the 15-minute time frame. Here's another one here. We've got these bars red. You take that trade. Short position, you're looking for the pullback. Stop goes above the yellow line. Look at the outcome. You can also pull your stop loss down to break even or better and trail it. And I mean, that just went on and on and on and on. So then down here, look at the opportunity here. See, we go from red to green. Okay, once these green bars kick in, we're looking for green opportunities. See? So now we've got this pullback here. This is where we were in the video, looking to potentially counter trend trade it, which I prefer not to do, but that could be the opportunity. But what you want to wait for is, as I was saying, watch this trending down red. And if this stays green, at some stage, this will shift gears, possibly trend sideways for a bit, and then we'll see this rotation, this rounded base. And when a green triangle kicks in, there's your buy opportunity. All right, now, I'm looking at a potential sell, but question whether you want to get involved with that or not. because I think these indicators are definitely going to give you a much greater advantage. If it's green under here, if these bars are green, we ignore the red signals. We're only looking for green signals. And what could happen here, I'm not saying it will, but what could happen, see we've got this swing low, swing high. We could get a retrace down. See these levels, previous weekly and monthly? Well, that could be where it holds and rotates, and then we get the green triangle. And these signals fire over here. Look at all these opportunities. Anyway, we've got a bunch of tutorials on this. And again, we have a free 30-day trial. So go to the website, tradingwithanthony.com, and jump on board with us and enjoy this journey, guys. Gain access to the indicators, our VIP, the tutorials, everything. Anyway, we'll get back to the video and I'll continue with my analysis on this potential counter trend trade idea. We may trade back down. Even on the 15M, we've got this green candle here in balance, right? So it could look to rebalance. Okay, so that's a potential. I'll just name that as an imbalance. It could look to rebalance. It could look to trade through that. That could be a target. What else have we got? Yeah, even down in here. And that's back down around these levels here. So we've got another. I'll just grab that. So I guess if this is trending south at the moment, yeah, a bit of an imbalance there as well. Okay, possible target. Now, the thing with this, it's trending south and you're going to mark up the imbalance. If it trades back up in here, I'm short, and then I'm going to be looking for the trend, and you'll be able to follow. If this fills, you'll be able to follow your stop loss, trail your stop loss. In other words, let's just do this. Well, every pullback when it's trending, if it's going to remain bearish here, we should see lower highs and lower lows. So if each high is lower than the other one, then you pull your stop loss down and you can trail it with these retraces. Place your stop loss above the previous high all the way and see how far you get with it. And then at some stage, this will, you'll see a break of structure and it'll trade north, and that's where you get taken out. But hopefully you get a bit of distance out of it. So I think that's my take on Bitcoin. I'd like to see the pullback up in here, but again, you want to wait for the rotation, lower high, lower low, setting up, and then that's your entry point. Okay, guys, that's Bitcoin. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Hey, click on the link below. Check out my link tree and have a great day. See you in the next one.